Properly installing your GE Appliances window air conditioner isn't difficult. Here's how to get started. To install your air conditioner, you will need the following tools: Phillips head screwdriver, a drill with 1/8 inch drill bit, a pencil, tape measure, a level, and scissors or a knife. We will be installing this air conditioner in a standard double-hung vinyl window. If you have a different type of windowsill, please reference your installation instructions. Different models of our window air conditioners require different window dimensions. For exact specifications, be sure to check your user manual, packaging box, or log in to geappliances.com. Make sure that the window is within reach of an electrical outlet that accepts a 3-prong grounding plug. To prepare the air conditioner, you'll first need to install the top mounting rail with 4 included Type A screws. Next, you'll need to prepare the window by applying weather seals to the top and bottom edge of the window. You may need to trim the weather strip with scissors or a knife to fit the size of your window. Apply weather strip to each side of the curtain frame that will extend out from the air conditioner to the sides of the window. This will help seal the area once it's installed. Now slide the side curtain panel into the rails on each side of the air conditioner. Once the panels are in place, install the curtain frames. These curtain frames are labeled left and right. Slide the frame into the top slot and the bottom rail on both sides. Then snap the side curtains into the frames. Now you're ready to install the air conditioner into your window. Measure your window from side to side and mark the center point. At this point, you'll need another person to help you lift the air conditioner and set it into the window. Make sure the front edge of the bottom mounting rail is against the back edge of the windowsill, and make sure that the air conditioner is centered on the center mark you made. Next, slide the window down so that the front edge of the top mounting is in front of the window. The air conditioner should be sitting level or slightly tilting to the outside. Extend the curtain panels to fill the window area on each side of the air conditioner. Then, use your drill and 1/8 inch drill bit to drill pilot holes to secure the side panels into place. Screw the 4 Type B screws into the pilot holes. Next, you'll want to secure the air conditioner to the window. Start by locating the screw near the bottom on the right-hand side of the unit. Loosen this screw. Then slide a side bracket over the screw so that it is resting on the windowsill. Now tighten the screw. Use your drill and 1/8 inch drill bit to drill pilot holes through the holes in the side bracket. Screw 2 of the 4 Type B screws into the holes and attach the bracket to the sill. Then repeat the side bracket installation to the left side of the air conditioner unit. To cover and insulate the curtain panels, you'll need to measure the area for the adhesive-backed foam sheets. Cut these sheets to fit, and then apply them to the side curtains and frames. Finally, you need to install the window lock bracket to the window and frame. For wood windows, place the bracket above the lower window with the hole facing you. For vinyl windows like this example, place the bracket above the lower window with the hole to the side. Use your drill to make a pilot hole, then secure the bracket with 1 single Type B screw. Then, cut the foam top window gasket to fit the width of your window. Insert the foam between the glass and the window to block outside air and insects from getting in through the crack. Your window air conditioner is now safely installed in your window and ready to be used. You can change settings using the keypad, the included remote, or through Wi-Fi Connect to chill your room to the perfect temperature. For more information about our products, visit geappliances.com and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest updates, recipes, and more.